a lot of times we need to repost our videos on Instagram and TikTok. And here is how we choose which video to repost. First of all, we log into the account. Then we scroll and look for higher views. So first of all, step number 1, look for higher views compared to other videos. For example, this video. Now go to View Insights. The first thing we want to see is the number of views. This video got higher views compared to other videos. Then the next one, we want to see profile activity, which is the number of new followers added through this video. And number 3, we want to see how many non-followers were reached through this video. Right, I'm going to save it. Now this looks good, not bad at all. 11,000 views is good, 68 new followers is good, and it reached 51% non-followers, which is not bad at all. Now, I'll show you a comparison. This video here, if we go to View Insights, let's see, look at this. The number of views is low, of course. There's zero follower added through this video. So people actually didn't like it, or people liked it, but only 15% non-followers viewed this video. That's why they didn't much choose to follow. So yeah, it didn't work the way we wanted. Now let's go scroll down and try to find out something else. This video has 19,000 views. We want to see, go View Insights. And okay, not bad. Now look at this. It's 90,000 views, amazing, we loved it. 105 profile activity, that means new followers added through this video, amazing. Which is most amazing right here is 80% non-followers viewed this video. Now here is a question. If 80% non-followers viewed this video, and from 19,000 only 105 new followers added, that means this video is not much relevant to the non-followers that viewed this video. Does this make sense? All right, think about it and try to understand what I said. So, solution, we don't want to post this video if we have other options. That's it. But if we have no other options, then this is also an amazing video for repost. Okay, go down. I'll show you another example, very recent. This one here, 57,000 views. View Insights. Now, of course, 57,000 views is amazing. The best part here, which we like the best, is the 603 new followers. And what's more amazing is 89% non-followers viewed this video. So it literally went viral. And from that non-followers, we got tons of new followers. Okay, I will leave that to you. This is a video that we want to repost. Now you can go check the other one, and this one, out of 11,000 views, we got 155 new followers, which is amazing. 78% non-followers, we love it. Now let's go back, and this video did really well recently. This was reposted multiple times, and here is one of the times that hit almost 500,000. So 421,000 views, 5,000 new followers added, 97% non-followers. This is amazing. We want to repost it over and over again. Now this video, look at this. I want to see what happened to this. Look, the problem with this video, it actually worked. It actually worked well, 13,000 followers, but, and even from 30,000 views, only 10 followers added, because only 5.8% of all the viewers, only 5.8% are non-followers. So probably we want to post this video again because you know why? The other factors, the engagements are so high. People loved it. And even from 5.8% non-followers, we got 10 new followers, which means this video has so much value. People loved it. We should try to post again. Now this video went really well. This one of the videos that worked every single time reposted. I think it's posted over 20 times. Every time it worked. Every single time it worked. Okay, look at this. 11,000 views, 171 profile new followers, 77% non-followers. Okay, this is the one we want to repost over and over again. Okay, that's how it works on Instagram. Okay, this one got 10,000 views. Go view insights, and 18% non-followers from 10,000 views, but we got from 18,000 non-followers and 10,000 views, we got 19 new followers, which is not bad at all. And if you go to past posts, then this video added more followers in the past. So it is a good one to repost. Now this video you see, we spoke about at the beginning. This is the same exact video, or maybe another version of the same video, but look at this. It worked well. Again, 27,000 views, 319 followers, 73% non-followers. This is going viral every time. We should repost it as much as possible. Okay, this video is 11,000 views, but we want to see what it gives. Yeah, not bad, not bad. From 11,000 views, 38 followers out of 32% non-followers. This is good. We want to repost it. Okay, this is the same video I told you that worked really well, and it got, well, look at this. 81,000 views, 1,000 new followers, 94% non-followers watched it. So this is the video you want to post over and over again. Now go back and find out these kind of videos, make a list of these kind of videos, and find the original videos. And always prefer these videos, the videos that have these criterias for reposting. Now this one has 10,000 views, but look at this. I want to see from inside. Look, 10,000 views, but only 2.5% non-followers. So it did not go viral. It just drew attention of existing followers. All right, so I am gonna move on to, before I want to show this one, this video. 19,000 views. And look, only 12 people followed, out of 3.8% non-follower viewers. So it drew attention of existing followers. Now we want to move on to, this is the video I wanted to show you, I think. Yeah, another one, 20,000 viewers, but all of them are followers, not non-followers. We don't want to repost this video if we have other options. Now this video has 27,000 views. Look at this. We want to see how it worked. Well, this one, look, this one is a different thing. It has value. The content has value, and that's why even though 6.5% non-followers, but out of these 6.5% non-followers of these 27,000 viewers, we got 20 followers, new followers. So this video has quality content. We should try to post it when we don't have other options. All right, so this is what I prefer. I prefer a link to these kind of videos, chosen videos, and separate the original files or make a folder in our drive with the original files of these videos. So whenever we need to repost, we can repost from here. Yeah, this is another video that actually didn't go viral. Only 10% non-followers, but 16,000 views. 10% non-followers, we got 13 new followers from this video. So the video has substance, good quality content, but it didn't go viral. So it's a secondary option for reposting. All right, this is one of the videos that went viral every time. See, 35,000 viewers, 271 followers, and 64% non-followers. This is another video I want to show you. Now, the problem here, 35,000 viewers, but only 7.8% non-followers. But because the video quality is good from these non-followers, little non-followers, we got 22 new followers. Amazing, amazing. Let's go to TikTok. TikTok works a bit differently. So let me show you how TikTok works. First, start with a bad video. So this video did not work. So go to more data and look at this. TikTok works with average watch time. Average watch time starts with average watch time. So if the average watch time is high, there is a high chance that it will get viewed by more non-followers and we can gain more followers. For example, 947 views, only 8 seconds people like to watch it. So TikTok didn't push it, it didn't go viral, it didn't get a lot of traction, and of course, not a lot of followers. So let me show you some videos that worked really well. I'll take a little time to scroll down. This is one of the videos that worked okay. Go to more data and look at this. Out of 6,000 viewers, they watched more time, longer time. Compared to 7 seconds, this was the watch time was 23 seconds. So TikTok pushed it to non-followers and more engagements happened. And look, we got some new followers. Got it? So it's in TikTok, it's more about watch time and other engagements. So let's try this one. This one got 7,000 views. Okay. I cannot say bad, but it's not good at all. Look at this. This video got 13 seconds watch time. So yeah, TikTok pushed it initially because the engagements were high, but because people did not watch it, TikTok did not push it, and yeah, not so many followers. So we do not want to post if we have other options. So what are the best options for TikTok? Let me show you. This is one of the videos we want to try again. This video was watched, the watch time, average watch time is 24 seconds. This is the type of video we want to try because for some reason TikTok did not push it. If TikTok saw average watch time again and it push again, then and more engagement happens, it will keep pushing. So let me show you another video that went well, brought in a lot of attention, a lot of new followers. Probably this is one of them as far as I remember. And yes, look at this, 4,000 views, but it has 22-second watch time. 5% people, almost 6% people watched the full video. And look, TikTok actually pushed it a little bit and it got 49 new followers. But if we go a little below and find a really, really viral video, then you will understand what I'm talking about. One viral video can change everything on TikTok. One viral video, even if it is random. So let me quickly go a little down. This one got 10,000 views. Okay, this video watch time is not high, but for some reason it got pushed. The other metrics are not bad, so we got some 100 new followers. I want to show you a video that went really viral. This is the video, but not this repost. I think the first post went viral, and I want to show you this one. This is one of the viral videos. 15-second watch time, but together with all the different matrices, the shares, the likes, the comments, and because it was pushed by the TikTok, we got 800 new followers. Okay, let's go and I will show you. These are the videos that we want to repost. Right, go down, a little down. This is one of those 173,000 views. Really good watch time. Really good watch time. 22-second watch time, 3,000 followers. We want to repost this video as many times as possible. This video got 66,000 views, and we want to see what happened here. 23-second watch time and 781 new followers. We want to repost it. Let's go down a little bit. This video got 167,000 views, and look at the number of shares. 41-second watch time, 2,000 new followers. 5% people watch the full video. It's more than the general other videos. We want to repost it. And I think this video is same video of a different version of the same video, and it worked well as well. You see that? Okay, let's go down a little bit because I want to show you one viral video. This video went completely viral and changed the whole game. 1.1 million views, 38-second watch time, 3% full video watch, 21,000 new followers. Not that old. Like all the engagements kicked in, went crazy. Okay, we want to repost it. We repost it, but we want to repost it. This video on the right hand side, 71,000 views. We want to see what happened. More data, yeah. 42-second average watch time, 2,000 new followers. All right, go down. Yeah, so we want to make a list of these videos, the shortlisted videos that we want to choose when it's time to repost, instead of randomly choose some video to repost and see no results. Now, top right, look at this, 87,000 views, 27 seconds watch time, 2,000 new followers. Yeah, I think I covered all of it. It starts from high views, but also we want to go deep down, deep inside the insights and more data, insights of Instagram and more data of TikTok to find out which video to repost. All right, thank you. Take care.